Hi, welcome to my stock bucket digital store on Etsy. Once you purchase this item, you will receive a PDF file like this. This PDF contains the editable template link. Open the PDF file, open with and click on Google Chrome. It will navigate to the browser. You can see like this. Scroll down. You can see click here button, or else you can minimize the size of the PDF file. So it will be completely visible. So click on the click here button. It will navigate to the source file. You can see when you come down, editable template, click on it. So this will take to you Canva where the template is hosted. If you are not already logged into Canva, it will ask you to log in using your email ID. After logging in, the editable template will open automatically. I already logged in, so that's why it's it's navigating to open file automatically. You can easily change any text, font or color in the template based on your needs. For example, if you want to update the address, simply double click on the text and edit it. If you want to remove an image, click on the image, select the delete option, and the image will be removed. Control Z, then a previous step will come back like this, that already you know very well. To add a new image, click on the uploads option on the left side of the Canva. You can see, then click upload files. Select an image from your device and upload it. I'm not uploading currently any image because I already uploaded one image. I kept it ready. So this image is already uploaded. You can select it. This image will appear automatically on the template. You can drag it anywhere in this template and resize it like this. You can replace this image to the existing one. For suppose I'm keeping this image here, and the new one I'm keeping like this and resizing. That's it. It's very simple. If you want to download, then click on share. You can see download option. Click on it. By default file type, you can see PNG. Click on the drop down option from the menu. Choose the file format based on your needs. PDF for home or professional printing, JPG for professional printing services, PNG for email, text, social media sharing. Once downloaded, your template is ready to use. Very simple, right? If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Etsy. I'm happy to help.